Good morning, students. Welcome to Network Security Lab class for 6th semester IT students. So, on today class, we will be discuss about whatever the different types of firewalls are there. Okay. So, previously we got the idea about what is firewall, what is the function of firewall, what is the history of firewall, how firewall is different from your antivirus, whether firewall is a hardware or software. Okay. So now what are the different types of firewalls are there? Okay. Let's see. Types of firewall. There are various types of firewalls are there. Okay. So see, first one is your packet filtering firewall. So what does it mean? One of the oldest type of firewall. This type of firewall creates a checkpoint at the traffic router. Only the secure and verified IP address or network are allowed for the further flow of data. The data packets are not verified, that is, the information or data is not opened at the firewall stage. They are easy to use and do not overload the device and do not affect its processing or functioning speed. Okay. So what does it mean? Packet filtering firewall. Okay. So this one is the one type of oldest firewall is there, and it creates a checkpoint at the traffic of router. Okay. And what is that? It controlling secure about your IP address, means it's verify the IP address or the network allowed for the further flow of data. Okay. And the data packets are not to be verified, that is, the information of data is not opened at the firewall stage. Okay. So packet filtering firewall is the first stage of your firewall. Then next is your application level gateway firewall. It is also known as proxy firewall. When the user connects with the destination server, it forms a connection with the application gateway. The proxy then connects with the destination server and takes up the decision of forwarding the data packets. It is a bit more secure in comparison to packet filtering firewall. Strong memory and processors are required for using this type of firewall. So this gateway firewall, application level gateway firewall, is one type of proxy firewall. Okay. And it is more secure as compared to packet filtering firewall. Okay. Because of it is having the strong memory and processor required for the firewall. And the third one is your circuit level gateway firewall. So what is this? This works as a sessions layer of the OSI model. Using this type of firewall, two transmission control protocol, means TCP, connections can be set up together. It can easily let the flow of data packets continue without consuming major computer resources. And these firewalls are not much efficient as they do not check the data packets, and in case a data packet comprises malware, it will allow it to pass if the TCP connection are successfully done. Okay. Next is your stateful inspection firewall. It is a combination of data packets inspection and TCP connection. Until both the fields are verified, the information cannot be approved. They are less straining for the computer resources. However, they are a bit slow in comparison to other firewall. So here, as per stateful inspection firewall, it is little bit slow and it is less straining for the computer resources. and it is the combination of data packet inspection and the TCP connection. Okay. Now, next generation firewall. The recently launched firewall system are known as the next gen firewall. Under this, the data packets are also thoroughly checked before being passed on to the destination address. Okay, see, in this next gen firewall, the data packets are properly checked by this firewall whenever you are passing, means before being passed to the destination address. So when your data is passed to the destination address, first is check the data packets thoroughly. By which firewall? By this next generation firewall. And these are still on the platform of improving and evolving and intend to use modern technology for automatic detection of error and network safety. Software firewall. Any firewall which is installed in a local device or a cloud server is called a software firewall. They can be the most beneficial in terms of restricting the number of networks being connected to a single device and control the inflow and outflow of data packets. And this software firewall also time consuming factor. Like such a manner, one type of hardware firewall is also there. They are also known as physical appliance based firewall. It ensures that the malicious data is stopped before it reaches the endpoint of the network at risk. Now see, this is the firewall device. Now the firewall is there. Here the all systems are getting connected with maybe your LAN or WAN. Okay. Now the net is there or network is passed through this firewall, and here the firewall router is there. Okay. So like such a manner, the firewall devices work, whereas you are having this firewall software section on your system itself, and along with the devices also there for hardware purpose. Okay. Now, how to set up the Windows 7 firewall to protect your computer against the malicious activities. Okay, so what is the setup procedures are there? Means, as for software related, we are also able to protect our system by setting the firewall. So see, go to where? Go to your control panel and click in where? Click on your system security option. So under this Windows firewall, select either check firewall status to determine whether the firewall is turned on or off. Okay, or allow a program through Windows firewall to allow a block program through the firewall. Okay, so see this picture where you have to go to control panel, then go for the system security. Here control panel is open, system security, you click in system security, this one is open. Then go for where? Go for the firewall status. Okay. Now, next, then you have to click turn Windows firewall on or off from the left side of your menu. Okay. You have to make it on. Go for control, system security, Windows firewall, then make it on of your Windows firewall. Then configure the setting for your home or work for private or public network. After that, you have to save that one by clicking in OK option. So see, then turn on Windows firewall for each network location for your use. That means click on home, then work private or public. Then click what are the network locations are there. Okay. Domain network locations are controlled by your network administrator and cannot be selected or changed. Then as for second step, select the turn on Windows firewall under the applicable network location type. Okay. Then select notify me when Windows Firewall blocked a new program for each network type if the box is not already checked. Okay, click in OK to save the changes. Now see this one. Inside the custom setting you have to set all these things, then you have to click on OK. Notify option is on. Notify me when the Windows Firewall block a new program, this type of option you have to make it on, then click in OK.